Hello everyone, welcome to Catch Upon English. Let's start the video and learn some new sentences. आप किसी भी समय आ सकते हैं. You can come at any time. You can come at any time. वह इन दिनों कुछ बदले हुए नजर आ रहे हैं. He seems to have changed a bit these days. He seems to have changed a bit these days. हमें बाकी रास्ता पैदल चलना पड़ा. We had to walk the rest of the way. We had to walk the rest of the way. मैं अब तक चुप रही. I remained silent till now. I remained silent till now. बातों में मत उलझो. Don't get entangled in things. Don't get entangled in things. आप दोबारा कोशिश क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you try again? Why don't you try again? उन्होंने सारी बातें ध्यान से सुनी. He listened all the things with attention. He listened all the things with attention. उनकी माँ ने ज़बरदस्ती उनकी शादी करा दी. His mother forcefully got him married. His mother forcefully got him married. मेरा मतलब है कि मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा. I mean I won't do anything. I mean I won't do anything. आपने ही तो मांगा था. You only asked for it. You only asked for it. क्या आपको कोई समस्या हुई? Have you had any issues? Have you had any issues? उसे पहले अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी करने के लिए कहे. Ask him to finish his studies first. Ask him to finish his studies first. वह चोरी छिपे आया. He came stealthily. He came stealthily. क्या तुमने मुझसे कुछ कहा? Did you say anything to me? Did you say anything to me? लेकिन ऐसा करना कठिन है. But it's difficult to do. But it's difficult to do. तब वह बर्तन मांज रही थी. She was doing the dishes then. She was doing the dishes then. वह फिल्म मज़ेदार थी. That movie was funny. That movie was funny. सड़क मरम्मत के लिए बंद है. The road is closed for repairing. The road is closed for repairing. क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? Will my dream come true? Will my dream come true? वह दिन में 3 बार नहाते हैं. He takes bath 3 times a day. He takes bath 3 times a day. दीवार में एक छिपा हुआ कोठरी है. There is a hidden chamber in the wall. There is a hidden chamber in the wall. हमें बच्चों की सराहना करनी चाहिए. We should appreciate children. We should appreciate children. सच को झुटलाया नहीं जा सकता. The truth can't be denied. The truth can't be denied. हो सकता है वह यह बात भूल गया हो. Maybe he has forgotten this. Maybe he has forgotten this. समय बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है. Time runs out very quickly. Time runs out very quickly. चमत्कार कभी भी हो सकता है. Miracle can happen at any time. Miracle can happen at any time. आपने मुझसे कहा था कि आप एक कार खरीदेंगे. You told me that you would buy a car. You told me that you would buy a car. इस चिलचिलाती धूप में बिना छाते के बाहर ना निकले. Don't go out in this scorching sun without an umbrella. Don't go out in this scorching sun without an umbrella. वह कभी कोई गलती नहीं कर सकता. He can never make any mistake. He can never make any mistake. 15 मई से गर्मी की छुट्टियां शुरू हो जाएंगी. समर वैकेशन विल बिगिन ऑन 15th मई. समर वैकेशन विल बिगिन ऑन 15th मई. तो ये थे सारे सेंटेंसेस. आई होप कि वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल ना भूले. मिलते हैं ऐसे ही और वीडियोज़ के साथ, ऐसे और सेंटेंसेस के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर. बाय बाय. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.